Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. Hope your day is off to a great start. It is Monday here. We're trying to make it a good, productive one. I have a good amount of stuff to get done, so we're gonna be staying on top of it today, trying to. Still have a bit of a lingering cough, so that's been super effing annoying and I hate it so much. In case you were wondering, that's the tea. It's not for me. I'm not enjoying it. I already made my morning coffee though. It's kind of hard doing like Vlogmas on TikTok and then like vlogging my regular vlogs because I remember to vlog filming my coffee for my TikTok, but then all of a sudden I was like, shit, what about my regular vlog? But it's been so fun doing that, so I'm really enjoying it, honestly. Seems like a solid way to do Vlogmas without making me absolutely hate my effing life, which I always did every year during Vlogmas. So, I think it's about like 9:15 right now. Connor actually had to get up at like 4:30 this morning because he had to drive all the way to San Diego for work today, and he'll be back tonight, but he had an event there, so he is off in San Diego right now, so we kind of have the whole place to ourselves till he gets back, which honestly should be pretty early in the afternoon because the event was in the morning in San Diego, so he's just gonna drive back right after. Also, you guys, it's the weirdest thing I have to show you. So the weather when I look out this window is like gray. It's so bright, but you guys are getting the vibe, right? Gray weather. Well, that was kind of cool. But if we journey into the office, completely blue skies. Like, what? How is that even possible? Like, the cloud line must be directly above us. So weird. Anyway, gonna hop into some work now. I also need to wash my hair tonight. Just have it up in a messy bun. Forgot how much more often you have to wash your hair when it's curly. Mine I have to do like every 3-ish days versus with my straight hair it's like every 10 days. The difference. The straight hair requires a little bit more work right after the shower but lasts longer. So the trade-off, you know. Also got like my first kind of bigger zit since I've been taking those DIM supplements, which makes sense because I am getting my period this week, so you know, that would happen. I also got like this little guy, which is just kind of sticking around, but he's so small. But he's in such an awkward place. Like, what are you doing there? Get away. But yeah, this guy, a lot of gunk came out of it last night with my pimple patch, so I have another one on there to put on makeup in a little bit here, but I figured I'd give it a little bit more time with the pimple patch on it just to try to clear it up as quickly as possible. So anyway, I think I'm gonna hop into some emails and editing and, you know, work stuff. So it is 11:42 now, just finished editing a vlog. So glad to have that done. And now I'm just gonna throw on a little bit of makeup because, well, 2 reasons. I have a call this afternoon that I need to be on video for, so I just wanna kind of like touch up my face a little bit. I'm gonna do just really light, low-key makeup. Just like this little zit here. Obviously this guy over here too. And also because I need to film a quick clip for my TikTok Vlogmas that's going up today. So yeah, I just wanna have a little bit of makeup on for the start of that video. By the way, had a really fun weekend. It was like a good mix of chill and fun. Saturday I went and checked out this new coffee shop, which I had been meaning to check out for a while. It's in Santa Monica. It's called Tartine, and it's in an old church, which is really fun and cute. So went there and read for a little bit, which was just a really nice way to start my day. And then later that day, Con and I just ran to Venice Beach Bar and got some tacos for lunch before heading out to our friend CP's surprise party. Her boyfriend was throwing her surprise party, so we went there. It was super fun. She was super surprised, and we had like the most competitive game of Jenga ever. Literally the game went on and on and on, and the thing got taller and taller. Like, we were shook how long it took for it to finally fall, but then it did finally fall. I forget who, I think Caitlin is the one who finally lost. But very hard fought game, honestly. Can't even blame her. Probably the longest game of Jenga that I've literally ever played, which is funny. And then, of course, in natural Jill and Connor fashion, yesterday we just had a very chill day. As I said, Connor had to wake up super early this morning, so obviously it was a super early night for us as well. I don't even think I'm gonna do any kind of like eye makeup or anything. I'm just gonna throw on some mascara. I think I'm just gonna keep my hair in a messy bun. I'm really not worried about looking anything crazy, but again, just kind of wanted to touch up a little bit. So there you go. Quick 5-minute makeup done. Just ran to check our mail because I hadn't checked our mailbox in a while, and I knew that there would be like a lot of stuff in there. And in fact there was, but is there anything important at all? Probably not. Looks mostly like junk. But I also have some packages here. Oh no, my camera's gonna die. Let me switch out my battery. Okay, and we're back. First up, some liquid IV. Always good to have on hand. This next one is from a publishing house, which I love when I get my book PR. Okay, so loud and rude. Oh, well, I already received this, but I guess they sent me a second one for some reason. This book by Geneva Rose, You Shouldn't Have Come Here. This comes out April 2023. I think that I already hauled this for you guys. They must have accidentally sent me another one. I was confused because this is the publishing company that always sends me Geneva Rose books, and I was like, why? Like, unless she was releasing another one, but I knew this one came out next year. Anyway, probably just a mistake on their end. That's okay. And now for this last package, pretty sure this is just some jewelry that I ordered. Look at them, so pretty. Just really long, dangly, sparkly earrings. I thought those would kind of be fun for the holidays. There you go. There's a little mini haul. And I think I'm gonna make some lunch now for myself. I don't know what yet though, so TBD. Groceries have not been delivered yet today, so just kind of threw together a really easy lunch. I have some leftovers of the soup that we had last week, which I'm just gonna finish off, and then a tomato sandwich. Nice, simple, quick and easy lunch over here because I have a call in an hour. Okay, successful day here, you guys. It is 5:24 and obviously just went and turned on the Christmas tree. Can you tell? It's so pretty. I just love seeing that in the background. Like, I am about to head into a workout now. Trying to get back on the workout grind this week now that I'm finally feeling better. I think I'll be able to get 4 in this week, but we will see. And then after that, we're going to hop in the shower and wash our hair because clearly something needs to be done about this. Very successful day though. Knocked everything off of my to-do list, which always feels amazing, especially after last week where I just still was not at totally 100%. So feels good to get ish done. Let's move into the living room, shall we? I will say though, I'm kind of having a little bit of anxiety today about the new year, like being here already. I don't know, there's been something about today that's made me kind of anxious. I don't know what it is, but I'm feeling a little nervous and overwhelmed, and time is moving too fast and I feel like I'm not, making enough progress. I feel like it's just been one of those years that has just been not the best. It has not been the best year for me, to be totally honest. There's been a lot of ups and downs, a lot of high highs, but a lot of low lows. And it's just sometimes a little scary and overwhelming, feeling like I'm not totally sure where I'm heading in life. That's really just like the best way I can describe it, I guess. But that's life. I know I'm just having an anxious moment. It's totally fine. It will pass. And everything is fine. It's just, one of those days where I just have not been feeling 100%. Getting a little bit of like nerves about the impending new year. Oh, God. Okay. Let's get into this workout. It's about to start like any minute now, so I need to just get my ish together here. Yeah, Connor's on his way back, by the way. His event ended up getting pushed a couple hours, so he's back. He's going to be back a little later than he originally thought. That's okay. I'm going to make a yummy, easy soup for dinner, so I'm going to film that for you guys, definitely. And overall, it's been a good Monday. Just one of those, moments, but I'm really looking forward to the workout because that will help me kind of release, I think, a lot of that nervousness that I'm feeling.
Keep going. Woo. Almost though, don't worry. Keep that nice wide stance.
It's dinner time. We're gonna make a nice, cozy, chill soup. Super excited about it. Super excited about it. I'm gonna use this like chopping machine that I have here just because there's a lot of veggies to chop and I don't feel like doing it by hand. So I don't always use this, but on nights like these, I like to. This is like the chopping machine thing. You like put all your veggies in there and it just chops them for you. Super convenient. Alrighty, everything is chopped up here. Turn the stove on, there we go. And we're gonna let this start to just sweat down. This is looking pretty good. It's released a lot of liquid, so I'm gonna add water now. Water. Going into the pot, probably a little bit more. That's 7 cups of water going in there right now. Okay, and in there now I'm gonna do salt, of course, pepper. And I wanna get some herbs in there. I tried to get some into the grocery order today, but they were out, which sucks. Some thyme. And what else do I have in here? Here we go. Oregano. Love that. And I'm gonna drop the better than bouillon now too. Gonna let this start to come up to a bit of a simmer now. Okay, we are getting near the end of this. So I have another pot going over here. I'm gonna make the noodles in, using egg noodles, my favorite, for soup. I'm gonna make a good amount so that we have some leftovers that we can use in the leftovers of our soup. So the other thing that I'm gonna put into this broth is some garlic paste. I'm just gonna put it onto this spoon here, kind of let it melt in. That should add some really nice flavor and also just be like, I don't know, I feel like this is a nice like immunity soup almost. Got lots of herbs, garlic, veggies, really good. And then last thing, we're gonna throw in some kale. Love it. Check out the soup. Looks so good. Alrighty, soup is done and it's time to relax finally. Very excited. So we're still on our Game of Thrones rewatch, and the next episode for us to watch is Battle of the Bastards, arguably the best episode in Game of Thrones history and maybe television history. Yeah. It's iconic and I'm so excited to watch it. Great way to end the evening. It's bedtime over here and I have the purple light on in the bedroom. So I hope you don't mind this weird lighting to end the vlog. But it is 10:30. We ended up finishing season 6 of Game of Thrones. So good. Seriously, the best season of Game of Thrones without a doubt. Oh my God. Battle of the Bastards blew my mind yet again. I've seen it so many times, but it's so beautifully shot. It's insane. So good. Love it. I feel like I can tell that my curls are gonna have a good curl day tomorrow. I'm pretty excited about it. But anyway, now I think I'm just gonna read my book a little bit before bed. Obviously still reading Harry Potter. That's probably gonna be my book for the rest of the year at this point. And of course, still loving it. So that's gonna be it for today's video, but I hope you enjoyed. I hope you guys all have a great weekend and I'll see you in my next one.